How to use epoxy for wood repair on boats. If you have a wooden boat and are facing issues with damage or rot, you might be wondering how to use epoxy for wood repair. This method can significantly extend the life of your vessel. Let's break down the steps to make this process straightforward and effective. First, you need to assess and prepare the area. Inspect the wooden surface carefully for any signs of damage or rot. If you find any rotten wood, remove it completely. Clean the area thoroughly to eliminate any dirt or debris. Sand the surface to ensure it is smooth, which helps the epoxy adhere better. Next, it is time to mix the epoxy. Epoxy consists of 2 parts, resin and hardener. Typically, you will mix 2 parts of resin with 1 part of hardener. Make sure to mix these components thoroughly for about 2 minutes. This step is essential for the epoxy to cure properly. For better penetration into the wood, you can thin the epoxy mixture with a solvent like denatured alcohol. This is optional but can help the epoxy soak deeper into the wood. Always follow safety guidelines when using any solvents. Now let's apply the epoxy. Use a brush or roller to spread the epoxy mixture evenly over the prepared surface. For the first coat, it is common to thin the epoxy by 50% to ensure it penetrates deeply. For subsequent coats, you can apply it straight or with less thinning, depending on the finish you want. After applying the epoxy, you need to allow it to cure. The curing time can vary based on the type of epoxy and environmental conditions like temperature and humidity. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions for specific curing times. Once the epoxy is fully cured, you can sand the surface to smooth out any imperfections. If you feel it is necessary, you can apply additional coats for extra protection or to achieve the desired finish. Finally, perform a thorough inspection after completing the epoxy application. Ensure the area is fully sealed and protected. This process not only repairs the damaged wood but also helps prevent future damage by creating a waterproof barrier. Using epoxy for wood repair is a vital part of maintaining your boat's hull and deck. It provides a strong, water-resistant coating that protects against rot and other forms of damage. By following these steps, you can keep your wooden vessel in excellent condition for years to come.